everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of the series of the secure login system. So in this part we'll complete our login system. We'll code for three screens: screen underscore forget, screen underscore last, and screen underscore login. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. If you haven't watched my first part of this series, then the code for the first part is in the description. You can click on that and check out my first part, because in that I coded for the sign up screen and the chosen screen, which is this one. So let's begin. But first I'll start off by showing what we did in the previous part. In the previous part, we just code for the sign up screen. So when I click on sign up, I enter my username, 1GB, enter any fake email address, or you can even put your real one. It doesn't matter. If I put password hi and in the confirm password hello, click on create. It throws an error that passwords do not match. I have to do it to hi, and you can see it didn't create a table here. I click on create. Now I am redirected to the first screen, and the table is created with the content, username section, email section, password section. So now we'll start coding. So for now I can delete this table. So let's begin. So I'll code for the screen underscore login. For the login screen, so I'll put a comment here, login screen. So let's code for this back button first. On event, or instead of writing this, you can copy this from here with Control C and paste it here with Control V. Now on event button 6, change the ID to button 6. Click set screen to choose one, screen underscore choose one. Yes, so now I'll code for this label. Again paste it with the help of Control V. Change the ID to label underscore sign up. Label underscore sign up, and set the screen to screen underscore sign up. Now I'll code for the login button and the logic how it will log in us. Now we can create, I'll again paste it with Control V, change the ID, it's btn underscore login screen. Now remove this set screen and instead write, or no need for write, we can drag read records from here, okay, and put it right here. So you can see it has came. Now we can remove this console.log from here, and in here we can but we also have to change this. Remember in the first part we created the table names with the email, so here also we have to type the ID of the email input, which is text input underscore email, or else if we don't put it, it will throw an error that if we put it as username, that could not find the table named this in this app. So we'll have to put this text input, get text input underscore email. Okay, rest everything is done. So inside of this for loop, we'll write an if statement. If get text from text input underscore text input underscore username is equals to record I dot username name and curly brackets and get text input underscore password is equals to record records I dot password. So now inside the if, I'll also put here an else statement. So inside the else, I didn't show it to you, but there is actually a label here for an error which it will say that invalid username or password. So for that, just write here set text. The ID for the label is label 7 to invalid username or password and a semicolon. So now inside the if statement, first I'll press Ctrl V here and code for this, which is label underscore sign up. I have it, or I already have it there. Sorry. No, it's wrong. It should be label underscore sign up. So, but I'll change it to set screen underscore forgot. Or else if I didn't do that, now they're on the screen. Or else it would have taken us onto the sign up screen, which we don't want. Yeah. So now we'll for here. Now if I have put this if statement because we only want the user to be signed in if these details matched in the created with the created records. So I put an if statement if these whatever value it gets from these inputs is equals to record from the table it gets from the email input, it will read it and check if it's equal to the record, and only if it's equal to, then only it will sign in the user, or else it will throw an error which is this set text invalid username or password. So in the if part I'll write set screen to screen underscore last semicolon. Now it's done. So we'll check if it's working or not. I can go in the data section, run this, press sign up. Okay, I can create an account in binary bytes, email as xyz@gmail.com, password as hi. If I click on create, the account is created. Here is the table. So now I click on login. If I put binary xyz@gmail.com and the password was hi. I click login. it will throw an error, invalid username or password. But if I put bytes and press login, I should be redirected, but I'm not. So I'll just check what's the error. I'll check the IDs if I have put the correct IDs. I'll go into the screen and go login. Oh, I put the wrong ID by mistake. No, it's correct. BTN. It's correct. Now text input underscore password. Password. Records I or password. Records I dot username. Text input underscore username. And I'll check the screen name. Yeah, it's correct, but it's not working. I'll run it again and check. If I click on login, click on binary bytes xyz with gmail.com. I write my password hi on login. Why is it showing this? Oh, now I get it. Because I put these lowercase dot username, okay, and here dot password. Now it should work correct. Now if I click on login, I put binary bytes, email as xyz@gmail.com, and the password hi. But if I write it wrong, first I should check the wrong one. It shows invalid. Now if I write correct, yeah. So now we can see we are redirected. Yeah. So it's correct. Now the login screen is complete. Well, not complete, but yeah. So let's complete it. So now what we have to do is go in the screen forgot. Oh, sorry, not screen forgot. Screen underscore last and write set text label 12 to welcome plus record I dot username and a semicolon. Now I will copy it, paste it here 4 times. Sorry, 3 times. Here write email. Here write password. Okay, and remove hello these. Welcome, sorry. Welcome from these. Remove them. Yeah. So it's done. Now change the IDs. It's label 9. This is label 9. This to label 10. And this one to label 11. So it's done. So now let's check. Click on login. Right here binary bytes, email this and password hi. Click on login and we can see welcome binary bytes. Oh, I did one mistake. This has to be welcome plus space or it will just mix things up. And my binary bytes, my email address and this. Now we'll code for sign out button, which is here. So on event, I'll remove this and copy this and paste this here. Now the ID for this is button9. Change it to button9. It should set screen to screen. Choose one. Choose one. Okay, and now I'll just copy this and paste it inside here 3 times. Okay, now I'll remove this. Okay, get this done. Now change the IDs to text input underscore username, text input underscore email, and last text input underscore password. It is done. Now our sign out button is also done. Now we just have to code the last thing, forgot screen. So let's code for it. It's a little bit easy for me, so I'll just quickly do it. So first I'll code for this back button. I'll copy some code from here, paste it here, remove all this and set the screen to screen underscore login. Yes. Now for the check button, now we have to code the logic that it will show our username and password and email address here. So paste here the code, remove all this and instead write read records change this to get text from text input 8, okay, and remove this console.log and instead write set text area 1 to email plus records I dot email. Copy this code, paste it here, change this to password, change this to password. Oh, and a colon. Yeah. So now this done, everything is done. So let's check if our application is working. So I click on run, click on sign up, data, create another account with binary bytes, email as xyz at the rate outlook.com. outlook.com. Password I can keep hello. I hope it's not in this one. No. This is hi. Now if I put hi here, then press on create, it will generate that passwords do not match. So if I write hello here, then press on create, we can see another table is formed with the Outlook ID. Now if I log in, if I click on this, I write xyz at the rate outlook.com, click on check. Okay, so what's wrong? To see text date. Oh, sorry. Can just click 2 and this, yeah. So let's see this. So xyz rate gmail.com. Yeah, so this is not working, and this back button. Oh, that is because of this. Sorry. So I put the wrong IDs. So to go here and check the IDs, this is button 7, button 8. Sorry. Button 8 right here and button 7 right here. So let's run and check. So if I click login and this xyz@gmail.com, click on check and we get our email password. We click on back, click on binary bytes, email xyz@outlook.com, password as hello. Let's on login and here we are. Welcome binary bytes xyz@outlook.com and hello. And if you can sign out, we are signed out, everything normal. So yeah, so in this series I showed you how we can make a secure login system in code.org of Applab. So I hope you enjoyed this series. So this is the end. Bye bye.